Hi, Cherries. Welcome to this month's YouTube Hop. This month's theme is Create with Nature. So I am inspired to give my old hair clip new life, and we are going to add some dried flowers in the center. So we will need some dried flowers, some glitter, and the glitter is optional, and of course, UV resin. If you've never used UV resin before, it does emit a smell, so I would suggest a mask if you are sensitive to smells. You will also need a heat tape, which is just a tape that could withstand heat because we are going to be curing this in the UV dryer. So all I did was cut the tape to cover the size of the hole, and we want to make sure that there is no UV that leaks out. So just cover the hole. You can do this project with any shape clip, and actually this shape is a little bit harder because it's curved. So if you have a straighter one, it's way easier. Once your window is covered, go ahead and take your UV resin and just put a really thin amount to be able to cover the entire hole. And then once you have your UV, just make sure that there are no bubbles, but if you do have some bubbles, it's okay because a big part of it is going to be covered with flowers. So it's not that big of a deal. The glitter part is optional. I just like that it adds a little bit of shine. Again, this is the first layer. We're going to be layering on a bunch of other ones. So the glitter shows very, very lightly. Cure this first layer for about 90 seconds. You can do up to 180 if you wanted to. And then we're going to add a second layer on top. Again, I'm putting as thin of a layer as possible, pretty much just enough to cover. It's easier to cure when the UV resin is thinner rather than thicker. So it's easier to do it thicker, but it just takes longer to cure each layer. So that's why I do it as thin as possible. So once everything is covered, you can also use a silicone brush too to help you cover. Next, I'm going to add the dried flowers. Dried flowers are really delicate, so just carefully handle them. And I'm pressing really gently into the UV and kind of just embedding them in there to make sure that they are molded to the shape of the curb. And then I'm adding two smaller flowers. Like I said, it pretty much covers the entire window. So if you want more of the UV resin glitter to show through, I would say use smaller flowers. At this point, I would cure it again so that it would stay in that molded shape. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another layer of UV on top of the flowers. So now we are encasing the flowers in sandwiching them in between a UV layer. I'm still putting a really thin layer of UV resin. So to cover this with the flower fully embedded, I'm doing this process a few times until I'm happy with how encased the flower looks. And the window is not super thick, but the UV resin still doesn't go over that little window. You will know that the UV resin is completely dry because it would no longer be sticky when you touch it. And then once it's no longer sticky, I would go ahead and peel the tape from the back. And that is pretty much it. The clip is pretty much done. It is easy peasy. In real time, this maybe took me 10 minutes or so. So it's not a really long project. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And here's what it looks like on my hair. I love that my hair shows through the little window. And I hope that you guys enjoy this project. I have a list of all the other team members on the hop in the description below and also supplies that I used. I hope that you guys enjoy this craft and I will see you guys next month. Bye.